Without proper maintenance, even the best car ever made, the W123, is at risk for premature aging. So it is super important to do routine checks of your car fluids, and that's what we will be doing today. Make sure your car is off, cool, and on level ground so that the fluids can settle and you get accurate readings. I'll start by checking the engine oil. Pull out the dipstick, clean it off, re-stick it, there's a minimum and a maximum reading. Anywhere below half is a good time to top it off. You also want to analyze the texture. Make sure it's smooth, not sticky or gritty. And the color on this car is black. Other cars, it should be translucent, clear, not milky or black, unless it's a diesel. To get more visibility into your hood, the car is designed to where you can pull these latches and open up the car more. There you go, and it's open vertically. When checking the brake fluid, be really careful. It's very sensitive to dirt particles and oil, so clean around it. It should be translucent and clear. This one looks pretty clear and translucent, and it can damage your paint, so do not get it anywhere else. The owner's maintenance booklet for this car says the brake fluid should be renewed annually, preferably in spring. The coolant fluid is located right here. This is the marking to where it should be filled up to. It's filled up to here, so we definitely need to fill it up. Now that I think about it, the booklet says that it should be renewed every 2 years, and mine hasn't, so I'm probably gonna flush it out and put some new coolant in there. Maybe that's the next video. We're gonna check the transmission fluid, and the car needs to be on for this, so let's turn it on. Are there keys in? After the car has been on for a while, especially if you've been driving it, even better. That way it's hot. Clean it off. As you can see, the transmission fluid is on the lower end. We could use more transmission fluid. Last thing, your towel should be a lint-free towel, so no lint or anything gets inside of your fluids when cleaning off the dipsticks. Thank you so much, and thank you again for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe. It's stuck. I struggle every time. Right here it says OEL, and I'm pretty sure this is the oil area.